Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So I did previously film a hair tutorial on 6 different hairstyles for this look, and this is the makeup version of this look. If you haven't watched the previous video already, I will link that below, but this will be all about the makeup look that I wore on that previous video. So I'm starting off with the brows, and for brows I'm using this new ZINGS Pro palette by Benefit, and I'm taking the darkest shade of the brow pomade. This is like my current favorite go-to brow product at the moment. And then I'm taking the second darkest shadow and applying that on my brows, and then taking the darkest one, just applying that on the ends, and then setting it in place with the wax. And then I do the same with the other brows. And just to tidy up, as usual, I do apply concealer just on the bottom part of the eyebrows. And then moving on to the eyes, I'm just priming my eyelids with my concealer, just blending that in, and then going over that with the MERCIER translucent powder, just so that it doesn't crease. And for eyeshadow, I'm using Huda Beauty's medium nude Obsessions eyeshadow palette, and taking that peachy shade as a blending shade and applying that all over my lids and my crease. And then I'm taking the dark plummy shade and just applying that all over my eyelids, blending it upwards, and then going back into the other shade, peachy shade, and just blending that all together. And then taking this really nice shimmery pink shade and just applying that on the center points of my eyelids to create a slight halo look. I'm doing my eyeliner, usual winged eyeliner. I'm using this new one by NYX because the Bourjois one I couldn't find it in stock, so I decided I might change it, and I'm currently loving it. And for lashes, I use the BLINXY lashes, which I'll list the name below. And then foundation, I'm using FENTY's Pro FILT'R foundation in the shade 370, and concealer, I'm using Fenty Beauty's Pro FILT'R concealer in the shade 350, and just applying that on the usual areas. And of course setting that in place with my favorite MERCIER translucent powder. And then for contour, I'm using my favorite Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I use this all the time, and I don't even know if they still have it in stock, but it's quite old, but I love it. It just looks so natural. And for blush, I'm using this blush by EYECONIC Cosmetics. I'm not sure what shade it is, but I will list it down below. And then I'm just lining my waterline and then going over that, smoking it out with the eyeshadow I used earlier. And yeah, it's just a really nice pinky look. I feel like it's perfect for Valentine's as well, since that's just around the corner. And then for highlight, I'm using my Fenty Kilowatt highlighter in the shade Hustler Baby. Moving on to the lips, as usual, lining my lips first with my NYX Urban Cafe lip liner, and then going over that with a nude lipstick. This one is NYX's Powder Puff lipstick in the shade Best Buds, and then going over that with Fenty's Gloss Bomb. And last but not least, I am setting my face with Huda Beauty's Resting Boss Face Mist. And yeah, this is the finished look after I've changed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel so that you keep updated with my latest videos. And of course, follow me on my Instagram and social media pages, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.